Can cats drink toilet water without getting sick? The short answer is no. You should never let your pet drink out of the commode. Although some felines are attracted to the cool, fresh flow of porcelain bowls, it poses serious health risks. Toilet bowl water contains harmful bacteria like E. coli and salmonella, which can cause severe vomiting and diarrhea. Additionally, chemical cleaners, bleach, and automatic bowl fresheners leave behind toxic residues that can poison your pet. If you notice your feline drinking from the toilet, it usually means they want colder or running water. You can solve this by getting a fresh pet fountain and changing their bowl daily. If your cat drank toilet water that contained cleaning chemicals, contact a veterinarian immediately for guidance. Is it safe for cats to sip from the bowl? No. The chemical exposure and bacteria make it dangerous. Why do cats drink out of the toilet? They prefer moving water, but the health hazards are far too high. To keep your pet safe, always leave the toilet lid down and provide plenty of clean, fresh water elsewhere in your home.